I'm Glenn Sullivan. This is a 2018 Caterham 7. Glenn Sullivan. This is a 2018 Caterham 7, which is a replica of a 1969 Lotus Super 7. This is a 360R, which is pretty much in the middle of their range power-wise, with a little uprated suspension, but I think it rides great. It has a 180 horsepower Ford inline 4 engine in it, and I just love it. I got it because it's light. For a few years I autocrossed a Formula Vee, and that kind of ruined me on cars because everything else felt heavy after that. So now I'm back to something really light and really fun, and I love it. Thank you guys for doing this.